Hello everyone, this is the tutorial for question 3 from the study plan on aggregate planning process. I'm going to open a new template in Microsoft Project, in Excel, and I'm going to transfer the information from the table. So first I see that I have 6 periods here listed, so all I will do is just delete 6 periods. I delete the columns, the rows, and I'm going to put the names of the months. The production days I am going to put in that little column here since they are listed for me. And the forecasted demand will be right here. So the first question that they ask is they have a constant workforce of 7 people and they work 8 hours per day. So they are trying to determine the production rate per day. So if we have 7 people, and they work 8 hours per day, so we have 8 hours by 7 people, 8 hours multiplied by number of people, 56 hours labor hours in one day. And then we need to find how many units they can produce, production rate per day, how many units they can produce per day if we have total of 56 labor hours. So for this I need to look at the labor hours per unit. So I can produce 1.6 I can produce 1 unit every 1.6 hours. If I have 56 hours, then units per day will be equal to, I have 56 labor hours divided by 1.6 hours per unit. 1.6 hours per unit. This will be my capacity or the production rate per day, 35 units per day. So once I determine the production rate per day, now I'm ready to complete the regular production. So we have 7 people, we produce 35 units per day. What will be the regular production? So we are doing level production with 7 people, and wherever we cannot produce, we'll complement with subcontracting. So in this particular case, my regular production, remember I produce 35 units every day and I have 22 days in January. So I am going to produce with regular production. I will have 35 multiplied by the number of days in January. So I will produce 770 in January using regular production. However, because I need 900, I'm going to complement the rest, which is 900 minus 770. So I will produce 130 I will actually subcontract 130 units. And in the same way, I will produce the rest of the units. So my regular production will be in my subcontracting units. Okay. And now I need to calculate the regular production costs. The costs of regular production are equal to the number of units we produced using regular production multiplied by the regular regular pay per unit. So average pay rate is $5 per hour. Okay, so pay rate is equal to $5 per hour. So if my regular pay is $5 per hour, how much does it cost regular time per unit? So I know that for each unit I need 1.6 hours. So the regular pay per unit will be equal to 1.6 hours multiplied by 5 because $5 is the regular pay. So the total regular time pay per unit will be $8 per unit. So this is labor cost per unit. And I am going to multiply this by the total units produced. And here actually we have the regular production time per unit, production cost per unit by the number of units. So the total labor cost or production cost will be $34,720. The subcontracting costs are given to us. They are given subcontracting cost per unit is 10. So I'm just going to add them to the structure here. Subcontracting costs are $10 per unit. And they are calculated here. 18,600. So the total cost of this plan will be the sum of these two costs. And this is the solution to this plan. I hope that this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.